Hey guys, Rick Sonance here, back to our video. So, in this video we're gonna discuss how to make a full song like Regard. We'll be focused on the songwriting, the drop, the breakdown, the build up, all that stuff. So let's get it started. But first I want to let you know the new pack Future Selection Form 4 is out right now. It contains all you need to make this type of music, deep house, tech house, those genres. It contains 5 full vocals, 90 presets to make deep house, drums, drum loops, literally all you need to make this type of music. So if you want to check it out, check the link down below. So now let's straight dive into the video. So first we're gonna start with a vocal. We'll be picking this one from the pack.
Don't come in up. Don't come in up if I'm crying.
The vocal sounds like this.
Don't come in up if I'm lying. Maybe it's not okay, but I'll be fine.
Now let's write the chords. We'll be using this preset. But first let's dive into the chords of Secret by Regard. So these are 2 bars instead of 1. Besides that, they're made out of 4 notes. So now let's make our own progression. We're working in A minor. So we're gonna start off with the 2-bar note.
Don't come in up if I'm crying. Don't come in up. Don't come in up. Don't come in up if I'm crying. Don't come in up. Don't come in up if I'm lying. Maybe it's not okay, but
this will be the main progression.
Fine.
So now let's turn them into chords. Then fix the off-key notes. And turn it into 7 chords. As you can hear, the 7th chords don't work with every note of the scale, so we're gonna fix that. And bump it up an octave. Together with the vocals sounding like this.
Don't come in up. Don't come in up if I'm crying. Don't come in up. Don't come in up if I'm lying. Maybe it's not okay, but I'll be fine.
Now we're gonna layer it with this preset from the pack. Just copy over the chords and drop it an octave.
Don't come in up.
All together sounding like this.
Don't come in up. Don't come in up if I'm crying. Don't come in up. Don't come in up if I'm lying.
Now let's dive into the bass. Most of the time it's in UK house kind of bass line. Like this one for example. So we'll be using this preset. Copy over the root notes of the chords and start working on the rhythm. We'll be using 3 fast notes at the start. And 1 more at the last bar. So now we're gonna mix it. Now let's work on the lead. And we'll kick in when the vocal is done playing. Right here. So we'll be using this preset. Let's write a melody. This will be the first riff. Now we're gonna make a second riff. Now I'm just tweaking the melody. Altogether sounding like this. And just a few more tweaks sounding like this. Now mix it with the OTT distortion. We're gonna cut out the lows, open up a stereo image, add some reverb and delay, and sidechain it. Now let's add the drums. We'll be selecting a kick from the pack. We'll be using this one. Now just add a 4 on the floor rhythm. Then we're gonna mix it in. Now let's add a drum loop. We'll be using this one. We're gonna mix it in as well. Now let's build the arrangement. I added these arrangement tabs, starting with 2 parts of the verses, then a pre-chorus, and we're gonna finish it off with a drop. We'll be adding the drums to every part of the song. However, the first part will be low cut. So we'll be automating this EQ.
Don't take me out. Don't take me out if I'm tired. Maybe it's not okay.
Now we're gonna add the automation.
Don't take me out. Don't take me out if I'm scared. Don't take me out. Don't take me out.
Sounding like this. Now just add a few effects to finish off the song. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like. To see more, hit the subscribe button. And the final result will sound like this.
Don't come